Fixing low call volume on your iPhone is fast and easy. I'll walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open up the phone app, and I'm just going to call myself to show you an example. Let's tap on audio and speaker. Now, you'll be able to hear that it is on speaker mode, but I'm going to swipe down from the top right.
Or if you've entered the wrong mailbox number, press star.
And you'll notice that as I move this slider all the way up, it's really loud. And if I move it down, it's
Please
quieter.
enter your password. Or if you've entered the wrong mailbox
Again, so you want to turn that all the way up. But you also want to swipe down from the top right and turn off Bluetooth. So make sure volume is all the way up and Bluetooth is off, because you could be connected to a third-party Bluetooth speaker or headphone somewhere that you don't know are connected to. If those don't work, let's head into the settings. We'll tap on General and Software Update. Update to the latest version. This seems simple, but a lot of times it fixes bugs or glitches on your iPhone. If that doesn't help, let's go back here, scroll to the bottom, and just hit Shutdown. Again, simple, but your phone could have been running for days or weeks without a proper reset, and just by turning on everything again, a lot of times it fixes bugs or glitches. The last thing I would recommend doing is looking at the very top, because if you have a screen protector that is covering up the speaker, the tiny little speaker at the very top, it could be causing issues with hearing it. So maybe take that screen protector off, make sure that area is nice and clear to be able to hear it, and you're good to go.